Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Wi-Fi faster in just minutes in 2026. So if your internet feels slow while browsing or streaming, these quick fixes can give you an instant speed boost. First, restart your router. Yeah. Unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and often improves speed right away. Next, place your router in a central, elevated spot. Avoid corners, floors, and closed cabinets. Better placement means stronger and faster Wi-Fi. Now, disconnect devices you're not using. I mean, too many connected devices can slow down your network for everyone. If your router supports dual band, connect to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Yeah, it usually delivers faster speeds at close range. Next, change your Wi-Fi channel in the router settings. Crowded channels from nearby networks can reduce your speed. Finally, check for router firmware updates. Updates often fix performance issues and can improve your Wi-Fi speed, and that's it. With these quick tweaks, your Wi-Fi should be noticeably faster in just minutes. Yeah, smoother browsing, faster downloads, and better streaming. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.